Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka. For today's video, it's gonna be a chill day since I will be organizing some of my clothes in my cabinet. It will be fixed today. And then after that, I'm gonna do some homework and then I'm gonna pack my gift for my dad. And can you guys help me? Like, I want to prank my dad since it's his birthday tomorrow. So I'm still gonna plan for that. Anyways, so yeah. So I'm gonna put all these workout clothes here sa bed ko since pag naayos na to, we're gonna put it here. There. Ito yung aayusin niya, yung sides. This one. Babaguhin to. Alright. Update. So, like that siya. Ito yung bago. Tink, tink. Hindi pa nalagay yung sa likod. Ooh, so smooth. Look at that. Ooh.
Baby shampoo, come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places and the phases we call love won't ever start to change.
So, tapos na sila. I'm gonna open it po. So smooth. Thank you, Tito. Okay, I'm gonna put na yung mga stuff na finold ko. So, let's go.
Then the strange we should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space, girl. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you.
So here we have shirts, leggings, shorts, sports bras that can be folded, and then sports bras that can't be folded because I don't want it to be deformed. And some sport bras also. Okay, I'm happy. Okay, so for this area sa baba, I decided to put yung mga PJs, mga pambahay.
Baby, this world, it drives me crazy. I've been running around the room trying to make some extra gravy. I've been staying up for hours just
Okay, so for this one, I already folded this last night so that, you know, wala na ako masyadong gagawin.
stare back, but I guess looks can be deceiving. In the spaces we call love won't have to fade away, but till you ever wake up feeling like we're living day to day, we should buy some gold handcuffs and throw away the K and march ourselves right into cages in the prison of belief, girl.
So, mga pambahay, so white white, gray, and black. And then ito yung mga colored. Syempre, color-coded. Okay, next, pajamas. May mga dumating na Shopee delivery. I ordered this no March 27 kasi may sale. So, we have two. One from Gogo Express Courier and one from Shopee Express Courier. I'm gonna make a Shopee haul. Ito yung thermometer. Yung parang sa mall na you put your wrist lang like that. And then macha-check na yung temp mo. And I know this one, hard drive. Dito mo na namin siya nilalagay kasi, you know, to disinfect, we use SureSafe to disinfect lahat. Okay, tapos iniiwan namin siya sa labas. And then of course, I like this one. Look. Tinatapahan lang siya sa baba. This one. Tinatapahan mo siya here. And then, look. So, andito ako sa baba. I got Oreos. And naisip ko, prank for tomorrow kasi nga birthday ni Dad, diba? Naisip ko, alam mo yung prank na yung Oreo, lalagyan mo ng toothpaste sa loob. So, instead na filling, yung filling niya toothpaste. So, magdadala na ako ng isa sa kwarto para I can prepare it. So, yeah. Oreo and water. Also, may paparating pa ako ng mga parcels. So, if you want a Shopee haul. Done. My shirts, my PJs, and then sports bras, shorts, and then leggings and shirt. Yay! And my cabinet is fixed. Look. Ooh. Finally done fixing my closet, and it looks so satisfying because it's arranged per color and it's fixed and all that. It's the gift that I got from my dad. It's a CEO shirt from Startup. And yeah, I got this box from Monica since she gave this to me when it was my birthday. So there you go. Like that. As simple as that.
But it's all kind of confusing. It's like waiting for something great. And finally when you got it, wasn't everything you wanted. So you sit and grin and bear. It's not the worst thing that